What if you could explore other worlds, meet your heroes, or even rehearse real-life situations, all while asleep? This is not science fiction. This is lucid dreaming, and today you'll learn how to do it, step by step. For centuries, lucid dreaming has been shrouded in mystery, but the real secret lies within your own mind. Join me as we journey into your consciousness and unlock the incredible power of lucid dreaming. Our journey begins in the waking world. The first step to lucid dreaming is keeping a dream journal. Each morning before your dreams fade, jot down everything you remember: images, emotions, fragments. Don't worry about grammar, just let it flow. Dr. Stephen LaBerge found that recording dreams dramatically improves recall. Over time, you'll spot recurring themes and symbols, your subconscious speaking in its own language. Your journal becomes the key to decoding these messages. Start writing and you might be surprised by what you discover. To lucid dream, you must question reality itself. Throughout your day, pause and ask, am I dreaming? This habit, called critical state testing, trains your mind to do the same in dreams. If you see something bizarre, like a purple elephant, stop and question it. With practice, this awareness will spill into your dreams, opening the door to lucidity. The boundary between waking and dreaming is thinner than you think. Now, let's plant the seed of lucidity in your subconscious. The mild technique developed by Dr. LaBerge is simple but powerful. As you fall asleep, repeat a mantra like, I will know I am dreaming. Visualize yourself becoming lucid in a dream. Repetition and belief are key. Your intention shapes your dream world. The more you practice, the more likely you are to become lucid. Your subconscious is powerful. Feed it the right suggestions. Plant the seed tonight and watch your dreams transform. Sometimes timing is everything. The Wake Back to Bed WBTB method uses your sleep cycle to boost lucidity. Set an alarm for 5 to 6 hours after you fall asleep. When you wake, stay up for 15-30 minutes, read, write, or relax. Then return to bed with the intention of lucid dreaming. This method takes advantage of longer REM periods later in the night. It may feel odd, but it's a proven way to increase lucid dreams. Trust the process and see what unfolds. Becoming lucid is like catching a wave. Exciting, but easy to lose. To stay lucid, focus on your senses. Look around, listen, touch objects in your dream. Engaging your senses makes the dream more vivid and stable. Try rubbing your hands together or spinning in place to ground yourself. Approach each dream with curiosity and playfulness. Don't be afraid to experiment. The more you practice, the more skilled you'll become. Mastering dream stabilization is the key to surfing your dreams. As you explore, you'll notice recurring symbols and themes, your personal dream signs. Track these in your journal. They're clues from your subconscious. When you spot a dream sign, ask, am I dreaming? Recognizing these signs can trigger lucidity and reveal insights about yourself. Your dream world is a mirror. Pay attention to what it reflects. Some tools can enhance your lucid dreaming journey. Binaural beats, gentle pulsing sounds, can help guide your brain into dream-friendly states. Certain supplements like galantamine or mugwort tea may increase dream vividness, but always consult a professional first. Use these tools wisely. Your intention and practice matter most. Technology and supplements can help, but the real power is within you. Enhance your experience, but don't rely on shortcuts. Your mind is the ultimate tool for lucidity. The real magic of lucid dreaming is in your imagination. Before sleep, visualize yourself becoming lucid in a dream. Picture the setting, the sensations, and the moment you realize you're dreaming. Imagine what you'll do. Fly, explore, create. The more vividly you visualize, the more likely you are to experience it. Visualization plants powerful suggestions in your subconscious. Your dream world is your canvas. Paint it boldly. Use your imagination to shape unforgettable dream adventures. Start tonight. Write, observe, and become aware. The dream world is waiting, and now you know the way in. Embrace the unknown and unlock the infinite possibilities of lucid dreaming.